Mom and I made it to Tops. We trekked in through the snow. And we're just getting a small supply because we only got the backpack to carry. And yeah.
Our supplies is frozen because I put it outside to my porch and everything is solid frozen.
Look, it's a cute chair, Angel.
It's my chair, Angel.
All right, we're gonna continue walking, right? Because this is so much fun.
No such things like a bad weather. It's just a bad clothing, bad tires, not suitable car, and set of mind. You do it!
A good mindset, yes.
Good mindset.
Morning. Saying hi to the neighbors. So, and Max's and Sarah's. Okay. I'm just between two cars. Yes, that's a vehicle. Yes, that's a vehicle. And there's my car. All full of snow. So, okay, we're heading back. We just said, we just gave some coffee to Max as we walked to the store and got groceries and got the neighbors some stuff. So, heading back. And now it's time for my own coffee.
I did.
Yay! You made it.
I made it. I hope the room will come